channel. So today in this video we will be solving the 75th question, sort colors. That is, given an array nums with n objects colored red, white or blue, sort them in place so that objects of the same colors are adjacent with the colors in order red, white and blue. We will use the integers 0, 1, 2 to represent the color red, white and blue respectively. So here is a simple example. This is the given nums, okay? This is a given nums which is having 2, 0, 2, 1, 1. It's just collection of three different numbers. You need to code in such a way that the numbers, same numbers are adjacent to each other. That is 0, comma 0 which is 1 and 1 comma 1 and 2 comma 2. The same number has to be adjacent to each other. This is how you need to code. First, this is the method 1 which I'll be explaining in this video, and method 2 will be explained in the next video. This is very simple and easy code to write in your coding round. If any of the time you get this question, you can of course follow method 1, but in interview they might ask the method 2 answer. They expect method 2 answer because it's some of like the time complexity, efficiency, the method 2 is way more better. Therefore we'll do method 2 in the next video, but understanding method 1 is also very important. So let's do that. I'll make the size of the screen big, wide, so that you can see properly. I'll explain you how we'll do. I'll start with coding only. First, we will have the integer, that is, we'll have variables which I'll name as number of 0. Okay, this is my variable, number of 0. That means this will calculate how many 0 I have. I'll initialize it with 0 and int number of 1 I'll have, which I'll initialize it with 0, and int number of 2 is equal to 0. Okay, I'll have these three variables. I'll say y. Fine. Now we'll traverse the array. For int I is equal to 0, I less than nums dot length, because my given array is nums, and I plus plus. What I'll do is, when you start traversing the array through for loop, if nums of I is equal to 0, what I'll do is number of 0 plus plus. I'll increment. I'll just copy this line and paste it over here. If it is 1, I'll increment number of 1. Okay, and the third line is, if the array is 2, we will increment number of 2. Right? So after obtaining, here you will obtain the number of 0, number of 1, number of 2. How many are there? Example, in this given question, see here, the number of 0 is 2. So this number of 0 will obtain the answer it as 2, and 1 is also 2, 2 is also 2. This part will be done. Next what? Next is for int I is equal to 0, I less than nums dot length. Now we will make sure that our nums will reset the values. Okay, we'll reset the values for nums, so that I should traverse, right? So I'm traversing. So if I value is less than number of 0, if it is number of 0, until then what do? You fill nums of I is equal to 0, right? If it is less than 0, number of 0, you fill 0 until there in my array. Next, else if Okay, else if I is less than number of 0 plus number of 1. If it is greater than that, what you do? You fill nums of I is equal to 1. So until there you fill 1. Else what you do? Directly you fill 2. Is it done? Let's just run this. I hope you got why did I do. Let's see. Yes, it is accepted. See, I've obtained the expected output. Case 2 is also done. I'll hit the submit button. It is accepted. So that's all guys, very simple, very easy to do. I hope you understood it. Otherwise, if you don't understand, just comment down below. I'll also explain you with the whiteboard, and in the next video we will be doing method 2 for the same question. Thank you.